Let's talk about conditional statements, particularly if in this video. I want to stress that if is very important. It is used in every tool and technology that is used in any IT project. So conditional statements allows us to make logical comparisons and they can have only two results, true or false. For example, if you score more than 32 in your exam, you will pass, else you will fail. There is no third option. Similarly, if you are spending more than what you are earning, you are making losses, else you are in profit. So if statement checks whether a condition is met or not, it returns one value if it is met and another value if it is not met. It takes three parameters as input. The first is our logical test, which verifies if our condition is met or not. The second parameter is what will be displayed in case the condition is met, and the third parameter is what will be displayed in case the condition is false. Let's practice this with a few examples. So let's check if 1 is greater than 2. If this condition is met, we will print yes, 1 is greater than 2. If this condition is not met, we will print nope, does not look right. As we know, 1 is not greater than 2, which is why it printed nope, does not look right. Let's look at another scenario. So here we have a scenario that if you scored greater than 32, you will pass, else you will fail. The score of the student is 40, so we will write equals to bracket open. We will check if score is greater than 32 as our first conditional statement. In this second parameter, we will specify pass, which will get printed in case our logical test returns to true. In case the logical test returns false, we will display fail, which will be our third parameter. Here 40 was greater than 32, which is why we got pass. If we change the value to 30, we will get fail. So if basically evaluates a logical condition, if it's true, it returns the second parameter, and if it's false, it returns the third parameter. Let's look at another example. Here we have two kids and their age. If the age of Sam is greater than Ron, we should print Sam is older than Ron, else we will display Ron is older than Sam. Here Sam was older than Ron, but if we change the age, it will print Ron is older than Sam. Let's talk about another scenario. Here we will give the employees a 30% bonus if their sales is greater than the average employee sale. But if their sale is less than the average, they will get a flat 10% bonus. But for that, we first need to calculate the average sales. Now we can write is equals to if followed by tab sales of John, which is in cell B9, greater than average sales, which is in E12. This is where the logical test ends. We are checking if the sales of John is greater than the average sale, which is true in this case. So we will give John a 30% bonus. If the answer was false, he would have got a flat 10%. That's it. Now before we drag our formula down, we need to make sure we have set the absolute reference for average sales, because that will be common for all employees. So Jane and Roger, who sold less than the average, got 10% bonus while the rest got 30%. Let's quickly discuss couple of other practical scenarios. We get a sheet which is manually filled by employees and we want to ensure there are no outliers. Outliers means something which is not usual. For example, usually the sales by an employee is maximum 500. Anything beyond that is either a typing mistake or a fraudulent entry. So let's add a condition to check if the value is greater than 500, it will display looks incorrect. And if it is less than 500, we will keep it blank. This will help us identify any cells that may have potentially incorrect values. Another realistic example is if we want to pick only those files that came in today. If that is the case, we can add y, else we can add n. Hopefully this clarifies all your doubts related to the basic if formula. In the next video, we will discuss nested if clubbed with and or operators, and much more. And I will also leave some practice exercises so you get a better hang of the if function.